Hi, Noel from Rittenhouse. I'm going to introduce to you the ChemLawn gun. It's one of the common lawn spray guns. Has a locking trigger, which makes it much easier to spray lawns for long periods of time. This end hooks directly to the hose. It's 1/2 inch. And that's all you need to connect the hose with. Nozzle you see on here is a yellow one. This is actually a 2 gallon a minute nozzle. They come in 4 different colors. White being the highest gallons per minute, which is 4. Then the green, which is 3. Of course, the yellow one, which is 2. And then the blue one, which is 1.5 gallons a minute. Now I'm going to show you how to repair a leaky ChemLawn gun. I have removed all 4 screws, and we'll show you how to take the case off and replace the trigger and inside. Okay, with the screws removed, release the trigger, lifting up on the 1/2 of the trigger cover. Set that aside. Inside you'll see spring hooked to a roll pin and another roll pin here. So you have a large roll pin here, small one here. What you do is remove the spring by gently prying up from underneath. Snaps free. To get this out, you need to remove the large roll pin first. Take a pair of pliers, pull the roll pin out. Lift up on the trigger and pull it out. Your kit will come with both roll pins. You might as well replace everything at the same time. Now, as you see, this slides right off after we take this spring off, like so. This part is reusable. Your kit will have these parts supplied, and we replace them all. I'll take these out of the way. This is your kit. Make sure that you have all the parts when you unload it. So you have the plunger, your spring, 4 new screws, the small roll pin, and the large roll pin. Now you take the trigger, and you notice that the flange on this slides up and seals up here. Slide that through, replace the spring, and you're ready to install. First thing you do is you put the small roll pin in. Give it a little push with the pliers to make sure it's seated. Then you pick up the whole assembly, slide up, give it a little push, lock it up inside. And you take your roll pin. This roll pin will go into. Find the pocket, push, make sure it's seated. Take your flat screwdriver, slide it over top of the roll pin, and seat the spring. Once that's done, make sure it moves well. Put the top back on. Install your 4 screws. Snug up. And that's the simple and easiest way to fix a ChemLawn gun.